Welcome to Jibontala Rokeya Mahavidyalaya. Since its founding in 2007, this respected institution has been a place where education, culture, and values converge to inspire and shape tomorrow's leaders. For years, Jibontala Rokeya Mahavidyalaya has stood as a lighthouse of knowledge and learning, offering a nurturing environment rooted in academic excellence and holistic development.
Our college comprises 9 departments offering major and honors programs in Bengali, English, Education, History, Philosophy and Political Science, along with minor courses in Arabic, Geography and Sanskrit.
The Department of Bengali celebrates the profound legacy of Bengali language and literature. Students explore classical and modern texts, poetry, prose and drama that reflect the socio-cultural evolution of Bengal.
The English department introduces students to a wide spectrum of global literary traditions, ranging from classical Western literature to post-colonial and contemporary voices.
Department of Education focused on the philosophy, psychology and sociology of education. This department lays a strong foundation for aspiring educators and scholars.
The History department brings the past to life, offering students a comprehensive understanding of civilizations, cultures, revolutions and historical movements.
Department of Philosophy at Jibontala Rokeya Mahavidyalaya provides a platform for students to explore fundamental questions about existence, essence, knowledge, ethics and human behavior.
Department of Political Science is dedicated to the study of governance, public policy, political theory and international relations. The curriculum aims to shape socially aware, politically informed and civic-minded citizens.
The Sanskrit department offers a deep dive into one of the world's oldest and most revered languages.
Department of Arabic, the students are taught Arabic literature from various periods including the pre-Islamic, Islamic, Umayyad and Abbasid eras.
The Department of Geography features a well-equipped departmental library and modern instruments for fieldwork, including GIS-enabled computers that support digital map creation and spatial analysis.
Computer lab. Complementing the library is our modern computer lab equipped with high-speed internet and the latest software, helping students stay ahead in technology and research.
At the heart of our college is the